Mastering the art of sewing. Understanding pinning fabric. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the world of sewing, pinning fabric. This phrase is not only essential for those interested in sewing, but it's also a great example of how English words can combine to form specific meanings. Let's dive in. Pinning fabric refers to the process of temporarily securing two pieces of fabric together before sewing. It involves using small, sharp objects called pins to hold the fabric in place. This step is crucial in sewing to ensure that the fabric pieces don't move while you're sewing them together, leading to a neat and accurate stitch. Pinning is a fundamental skill in sewing. It helps in aligning fabric edges accurately, maintaining the fabric's position during sewing, preventing mistakes that could occur if the fabric shifts, easing the sewing process, especially for beginners. Understanding the importance of pinning can help English learners appreciate its frequent use in sewing-related conversations and instructions. 1. Lay out the fabric on a flat surface. 2. Place the two pieces of fabric together, with the sides you want to sew facing each other. 3. Align the edges of the fabric pieces. 4. Insert pins perpendicular to the edge, about an inch apart. 5. Make sure the pins don't form ripples or gather the fabric. This process is often described in sewing tutorials and guides, making it a practical example for English learners. Use pins that are sharp and rust-free. Pin along the line where you will sew for better accuracy. Be mindful of pinning patterns, as they can vary based on the fabric type and sewing project. In sewing discussions, you might hear phrases like, "Make sure you pin the fabric well before sewing," "I'm pinning the hem to shorten the dress." Avoid pinning too tightly, it can distort the fabric. Understanding these phrases enhances comprehension and conversation skills in English, especially in a sewing context. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of pinning fabric in English, especially for those interested in sewing. Remember, mastering specific phrases can significantly improve your language skills and understanding of various contexts. Happy learning and sewing!